Iceland. I'm out of breath. Praying that it all goes smoothly. We're here.
We're acting like we weren't just fighting.
I'm gonna have Jasmine taste test it. I don't know why I did that to myself. We saw the Eiffel Tower. I just landed in Iceland. If you don't know, Iceland is known for their hot dogs. It's just a thing. Like, they have really good, affordable hot dogs. All the other restaurants in Iceland are very expensive, so the fact that these hot dogs are affordable, I had to try one. This is the beauty. I just got a normal one. I wanted to start small because I figure I'm gonna have a few of these throughout my time here. That was just the bread, and it was still so good. I don't want to get any in my scarf. Yeah, it's so good. I love the bells of the church. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm not able to check in till 3. So I think I'm gonna go to the museum. It looked so cool, and I haven't seen a lot of people talk about it. It's like a kind of like a natural history museum. Shows different eras of Iceland and like their houses and stuff. I got this scarf. This looks so touristy. I got this scarf at a thrift store because I love thrifting in different countries. Let's go to this museum. I'm nervous. My phone's about to die and I have like barely any internet, so it's a struggle, but we're doing it. Let's go see it.
Suddenly I feel like 16. What the hell are you doing to me? How am I supposed to get sleep? You will never be mine to keep. Oh, you're all I see, all I breathe. How would it be forever together?
It's my first full day in Iceland. Today I'm praying and hoping that my car makes it. Yesterday I had an alert on my car that said low tire pressure, which I like. My car stuff, my dad does, my grandpa does. I don't do my car stuff, and which I need to learn how to do it, but that just really stressed me out. So I'm gonna go to a gas station and hopefully like fill up the tire pressure. I think I mentioned I'm staying in a hostel, and I actually really like the experience so far. I'm gonna show you guys like the room. I have the top bunk. I met a girl here from Sweden, and she's super nice. This is my outfit for today. I thrifted this jacket because I think since I'm going to so many places on this trip, I'm going to donate a lot of my Icelandic clothing that I brought because it's so thick and big. So I'm going to donate it when I leave the airport. That way I'll free up some room in my luggage. And then I brought sneakers. Let's see what we find today, guys. Also forgot to add that this morning I was vomiting, which is not how I expected this travel day to go. When you travel, sometimes things are just so unexpected. Same with my car. I spent all last night just being so stressed out that my tire's gonna blow out because of the low tire pressure thing, and things here are so expensive, so I don't even want to know how much that would cost if something with my car did go wrong. But we're praying that things go better today. Let's enjoy this.
Take it back, everything you love, slip away. Take your time, swallow in your pride, pretend you love the taste. Don't wanna move on, but you're probably better off.
Okay. When things go wrong, I'm always reluctant to record just because I don't want to give people a bad taste of traveling. I went to the Blue Lagoon this morning and you can take your phone in there. People do it all the time, take pictures or videos. I took my phone, I set it on a ledge, didn't touch the water, got out of the pool, phone didn't work. And I have it in rice here, I'll show you. It's a mixture of rice and oatmeal. I had to go grocery shopping. I've been using my iPad for directions. So I'm praying that that works and that the water gets out or whatever and that my phone works. But if it doesn't, that means next 21 days I will not have a phone. I've been thinking, I was looking at flights to go back home. So it was just super disappointing. And then that on top of the fact like the car issues I've had in Iceland and vomiting like the first day. It's been a lot. So yeah, just because I'm not crying right now doesn't mean I haven't been. It's not always easy to travel, and in the car when I was driving using my iPad for Google Maps, I was really thinking like, is any of this worth it? And I just felt really naive, and I am naive, I am young, and maybe I wasn't cut out to do all of this, but I don't know if I regret it, because I feel like every mistake I make along the way definitely teaches me a lot, and worst case, this video might be cut short and I might have to go back home, but I'm glad I did it. But I think I'm going to try to do it with my iPad. I think I'm going to try to do the rest of the trip. As long as I can access my flight and my Airbnb, I think I can do it. So I'll keep you guys updated, but I'm going to pack up tonight and then I'm supposed to head to Copenhagen or I'll be heading home. It's so weird to think about that. I don't know guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm nervous. My phone will not turn off, which means I don't think the rice method is gonna work. I talked to my hostel owner. He recommended this place. I'm gonna drive there. I have maps on my iPad and I'm praying that they work. This place has really good reviews. I need this to work.